Hello friends, welcome back. This time I am having Thermaltake UX200 CPU cooler. This is an high airflow CPU cooler. So we'll be unboxing this and see what's inside the box, and then I'll install this on the CPU and check against the stock cooler whether this is useful or not. So let's get started. So now we are unboxing this UX200i airflow CPU cooler, and we'll open. So first we have this fan. This is an RGB fan, and they have given the two wires over here. One is for fan connection and other is D, which is in data signal, and one is ground. Hope this cable was sleeved, but it's okay. The fan is looking pretty good. The fan is having an RPM of 1500. Now again we have one box. Let's see what's inside this box. So they have given this booklet, how to install guide for Intel and AMD, and this is the CPU paste, and these are the clips. Apart from this, we are getting this nice heat sinks, and this is having the 4 copper tubes, as you can see, 1 2 3 4, and they are saying that it supports up to 130 watt. The clip is universal. You can use it for Intel as well as AMD. So we have installed this clip on our motherboard, so I'll be showing you that. So now let's install this on CPU and see how it looks and how it performs. So we have started the stress test now, and we'll keep it running for some time and we'll check it out what the temperatures are. Currently the temperatures are around 49 degree, what I can see, and all the cores are on 100%. So we'll keep it for some time and we'll check it out what temperatures we get. So now we have installed the Thermaltake UX200, and we'll be running a stress test and check what the temperatures are. So I'm starting the stress test, and I'll also start the AMD software, which is system monitor. So now So friend, we have done the stress test, and with this stock cooler we have achieved the maximum temperature of 52 degree, and with Thermaltake's WX200 we have got maximum temperature of 41 degree. So there is a straight difference of 11 degrees. So it's a highly recommended product, because at the price point of around 2500 rupees, I think so it is coming. So it is a must buy. If you are not going with a water cooler, you want to save some money, then buy this product. It's one of the best product as far. Next time I try to test it on some other processor so that I can get more results. So we'll come out with that video very soon. Okay, so if you have liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Until next time, goodbye.